Hello, good afternoon. Presentación y oral. In English, my name is Luis Otalvaro Morales. I am 44 years old. I was born in Presentacion y estudié de programa de agronomía en el UNAP. I am commercial technical representante. I am World Agropaisa y ACE. Presentación oral. Last November, I went to Presentacion. It was great. Went there with my sister and I did have to pay much because I visited bad family. So stayed therefore cheap price. I visit different places of the Park Maloca and the trails of the Amazon River. The most impressive place was the landscape from the park. I stayed in Presentacion 3 weeks and I came back on January. Description. The water in Presentacion is very variable. In the morning it's usually cool, but it becomes sunny unknown. Recommendation. It is recommended that people wear warm clothes in the morning and light clothes at noon in Presentacion. What you should do? People should go to the Maloca Park. People should surround the beautiful mountain, scenery and greenery. People should be in time for the Europa International Dance Tournament. What you shouldn't do? People shouldn't go to the nightlife because it will be dangerous. People shouldn't buy food, the animal in the biopark of Ocaros. People shouldn't know truck whereby you visit the river Caño Cristales. In the question, Luis Otalvaro Morales, thank you.